If you've ever wondered how to add a subscribe button animation to your videos in CapCut on PC, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to import a subscribe overlay, seamlessly remove its green screen background, and get your viewers clicking that subscribe button. This is a great way to boost engagement and make your videos look more polished. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need a subscribe button animation with a green screen background. These animations are pretty easy to find. Popular sites like Pexels or Pixabay have free options. When searching, look for files labeled as green screen subscribe button or something similar. That green behind the animation is actually your secret weapon, because we're going to make it disappear using CapCut's chroma key feature. Once you've got your subscribe button downloaded, launch CapCut on your PC and import both your main video and the green screen file. You can just drag and drop them into your project, or use the import function at the top left. Make sure you know where both files are saved on your computer so you don't have to pause and search halfway through. Next, place your main video onto the primary track in the timeline. This is your core content, the footage you want people to focus on. Now, grab the green screen subscribe animation and drag it to the track above your main video. By stacking it above, you're telling CapCut that this animation should layer on top of everything, almost like laying a transparent sticker onto a notebook cover. Click on the green screen overlay in the timeline so it's selected. You should see editing options appear either above the timeline or in a side panel. Now, head straight for the chroma key tool. This is the magic button for green screen work. The chroma key essentially searches for a color. The classic chroma is green, and erases it, leaving just the animation you want. When you open the chroma key, use the color picker to select the green area of your subscribe animation. You'll see parts of the background begin disappearing. Now, this is where you want to take your time. Adjust the intensity slider to remove as much green as possible without erasing any part of the subscribe button itself. If the background is still a little fuzzy or you see a leftover green halo, try tweaking the shadow slider. This helps clean up the edges and makes your animation sit naturally atop your video. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to get it just right. Some animations are trickier than others depending on lighting and the type of green used. If you notice your animation losing details, just dial down the intensity slightly. Think of it like peeling off a label carefully so you don't tear what's underneath. Once you're happy with how the subscribe button looks, preview your video. Hit play in CapCut and watch the animation pop up. It should appear seamlessly, with no distracting green around it, inviting your viewers to subscribe. You can reposition or resize the overlay if you like, move it to a corner, or enlarge it for emphasis. And that's it. You've now added an eye-catching subscribe button overlay to your video in CapCut on PC. This little extra nudge can be a game changer for audience growth, so definitely give it a shot in your next upload. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about CapCut or overlays. For more tips and easy video editing guides, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.